Hi, welcome to my channel Jenna Cubing. Today I'll be showing you what cube notation is, how it works, and what's its purpose. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. What is cube notation? The whole purpose of cube notation is to be an efficient way or standard way to describe which face to turn or how to turn the Rubik's Cube in general when solving it. How does cube notation work? Cube notation is a kind of language made up of numbers, letters, symbols, or a combination. Cube notation is used in algorithms for solving a Rubik's Cube. Cube notation is made up of letters, symbols, and numbers. The letters in cube notation are written in uppercase letters or lowercase letters. Uppercase letters indicate that one face is to be turned, while lowercase letters indicate that two faces are to be turned. The two faces are the uppercase equivalent of the letter and the middle slice. The letters U, D, R, L, F are used in cube notation. The only symbol used in cube notation is an apostrophe. A letter without an apostrophe means that the face is turned clockwise as if you're directly facing the side. A letter without an apostrophe indicates that the face is turned counterclockwise. The only number used in cube notation is the number 2 to indicate two turns of a certain move. Other numbers such as 1, 3, and 4 are not used because 1 is implied if there's no number. 3 can be done by reversing the direction. For example, counterclockwise to clockwise and vice versa. And 4 turns just cancel out the turns, positioning the face back into its original position. Which way is the right way to turn? When you are following algorithms with cube notation, the faces are determined with the way that you are holding the Rubik's Cube. The face on the right is R, the face on the left is L, and so on. When you are turning, you have to turn the Rubik's Cube as if you're directly facing that face. Examples: Q, Q prime, D, D prime, R, R prime, L, L prime, F, F prime, B, B prime, lowercase u, lowercase u prime, lowercase d prime, lowercase r prime, lowercase l prime, lowercase f prime, lowercase b prime. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video.